Hello all. Welcome to my tech channel where we cover the latest gadgets, software, cybersecurity and more. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just looking to stay up to date, this channel is for you. Join us as we explore the exciting world of technology. Thank you. Hello all. Welcome to this Linux introduction video. In this video, we will cover the importance of Linux, its uses, and why someone should learn this operating system. Linux was created by Linus Torvalds in 1991 and had since become one of the most popular and widely used operating systems in the world. One of the reasons for this is the importance of Linux in various industries. Linux is the operating system of choice for running servers, powering the internet, and managing large amounts of data. In fact, Linux is so reliable and efficient that it powers 97% of world's supercomputers. Linux is also widely used in software development. Many developers prefer Linux for its flexibility, reliability, and the ability to customize their development environments. In fact, 80% of developers use Linux as their primary development environment. In the era of cloud computing, Linux is also an essential component of many cloud infrastructures. It is the foundation of many cloud based technologies such as Docker, Kubernetes, and OpenStack. In fact, 70% of all cloud workloads run on Linux. Linux is also favorite of hackers and cybersecurity professionals as it offers a secure and customizable environment for testing and developing security tools. Linux is so secure that over 90% of world's top 500 supercomputers run on it. But Linux is not just for professionals. It is also an excellent choice for everyday use. Linux offers a free and open source operating system that is stable, fast, and secure. There are many Linux distributions available, such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and CentOS. Each distribution is tailored to different use cases and preferences. One of the key benefits of using Linux is the ability to use the terminal. The terminal is a powerful tool that allows you to control your computer through commands, making it easy to automate tasks and perform complex operations. Linux is also an excellent choice for software development. Many developers prefer Linux for its ability to run on multiple programming languages and development tools. If you're interested in career in tech, learning Linux can be an excellent choice. Linux is used in many industries, from software development to cybersecurity to cloud computing. But even if you are not interested in career in tech, learning Linux can be beneficial. It can enhance your technical skill, give you a better understanding of how your computer works, and allow you to be. Please continue with our series. This is the first part in the Linux introduction. There will be multiple parts of this series where we'll cover Linux distributions, Linux terminals, some of the commands of the Linux, and networking and the security of the Linux. Thank you all.